I would say that Allama Iqbal Open University and us, the Federal Ministry, are collaborating into developing lessons and content for all classes, because as you are aware, once the COVID hit, within 15 days we were able to launch a teleschool. And the reason we were able to launch a teleschool is because a certain degree of content was available in the market. But we need to now develop that content further. We need to make sure that we get the best possible practices, and through Allama Iqbal Open University collaboration, we are hoping that not just one TV channel, but we may be able to launch 3, 4, 5, 6 TV channels focusing on different classes and different, and in that also non-formal education can be given priority. So I'm very happy to learn that the non-formal, the accelerated learning program is aligned with SNC, because SNC is a great initiative in which, for the first time in our history, all schools are adopting or have to adopt core curriculum or minimum learning standards. So I think that would have an impact. We are also in touch with Sindh to make sure that the SNC, which is being implemented all over the country, we hope that it can be implemented in Sindh also. So we are working with them. It was also mentioned something which was very important, that when we did our study, we found that children who drop out at the age of 10 drop out because their parents don't think that education makes any difference in their lives or improves their earning capacity. So while greater number of children go to school in the early years, but they start dropping out, and poverty is a very big factor in that.